Today you're going to learn how to solve rational equations similar to this right here. The thing you need to know is that every fraction, which rational equations are made up of fractions where they have polynomials, numerator and denominator, every fraction is a division. The numerator divided by the denominator. What gives people trouble with these is the fractions. So if we can get rid of the fractions, we get rid of the trouble. To get rid of the fractions, we undo the division. In this case, to undo the fraction, the division is by x plus 2. We have to multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 2. In this case, to get rid of the division, it's divided by x minus 5. We have to multiply by x minus 5. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 2 times x plus 5. X plus 2 times x plus 5. Because multiplication by x plus 2 and division by x plus 2 cancel each other out, on the left side we're left with 3 times x plus 5. Because division, this was division, multiplication by x minus 5. Because multiplication by x minus 5 and division by x minus 5 cancel each other out, we're left with 1 times x plus 2. Now we distribute, we get 3x plus 15 equals, distribute here, 1x plus 2. And now we have a simple linear equation to solve. We subtract x from both sides and get 2x plus 15 equals 2. Then we subtract 15 from both sides and get 2x equals negative 13. And we divide both sides by 2. We get x equals negative 13 halves. You may not run into this, but sometimes you'll get to the end and you'll have a solution that if you plugged in to the original equation would give you a denominator equals 0. In those cases we call it an extraneous solution and you have to throw it out because it's not possible to plug back into the original equation. This one doesn't give us any trouble because when we plug in negative 13 halves, it doesn't give us 0 here, it doesn't give us 0 here. So this is the solution to the equation. Let's try another one. Let's do 5 divided by x equals 4 over x minus 5. This left side is dividing by x. This right side is divided by x minus 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by x times x minus 5. Division by x and multiplication by x cancel each other. Division by x minus 5 and multiplication by x minus 5 cancel each other. That leaves us with the left side of 5 times x minus 5 and a right side of 4 times x. Distribute on the left side and get 5x minus 25 equals 4x. Subtract 4x from both sides and get x minus 25 equals 0. Add 25 to both sides and get x equals 25. Double check. Plugging in 25 here, neither gives us 0 in the denominator. The solution is x equals 25. Let's solve a couple more. Let's do negative 3 over 5 minus, let's do 5 plus x equals 6 over x plus 4. Here we're dividing by 5 plus x. Here we're dividing by x plus 4. We're going to multiply both sides by 5 plus x and x plus 4. Division by 5 plus x and multiplication by 5 plus x cancel. Division by x plus 4 and multiplication by x plus 4 cancel. Leaves me with negative 3 times x plus 4 on the left side and 6 times 5 plus x on the right side. I distribute both sides, get negative 3x minus 12 equals 30 plus 6x. I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides and get negative 9x minus 12 equals 30. I'm going to add 12 to both sides and get negative 9x equals 42. I'm going to divide both sides by -9. I'm going to get x equals -42/9. Now, 3 divides both 42 and 9. If you take your calculator and type this in your calculator as -42 divided by 9, hit math and enter twice, it will convert that to a reduced fraction, which is x equals -14/3. Let's do one more for an example. Let's do 7 over, let's do 4 minus 3x equals 8 over 1 plus, let's do minus 2x. We're dividing by 4 minus 3x. We're dividing by 1 minus 2x. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 minus 3x and 1 minus 2x. Division by 4 minus 3x, multiplication by 4 minus 3x cancels. Division by 1 minus 2x, multiplication by 1 minus 2x cancels. This leaves me with the left side of 7 times 1 minus 2x, and the right side 8 times 4 minus 3x. I'm going to distribute and get 7 minus 14x equals 32 minus 24x. I'm going to add 24x to both sides and get 7 plus 10x equals 32. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides and get 10x equals 25. Divide both sides by 10 and get x equals 25 over 10. Again, 25 divided by 10, math, enter twice, is 5 divided by 2. And that's my solution. And that's the way you'll work these problems on this worksheet that you're going to have. You will divide, or you'll multiply by both denominators. Then you'll cancel the correct denominator on each side and distribute. Then isolate the x, then solve it. Make sure it doesn't make the denominator 0, and that will be your solution.